Hi again, everyone. This is Shayla from the main branch of CCPL, and we're going to do part 2 of our food literacy on healthy Thanksgiving side dishes. In the first video I did for this, I showed you how to make mashed sweet potatoes with apple butter. Now the next side dish that we're going to do is green beans with ginger. So for our ingredients, you're going to need 2 pounds of green beans, and these need to be trimmed green beans. You're also going to need 6 tablespoons of olive oil, and then 2 garlic cloves sliced very thinly. And for the ginger component, we're just going to use ground ginger. Gives it a much better, more potent flavor than maybe fresh ginger. And crushed red pepper flakes. And then finally, salt and pepper just to season. Also need a bowl of ice water, and that is, I'll show you what to do with that in a couple of minutes. So what we're going to do now is we are going to take our green beans. I have already set up a pot of salted boiling water, and we're going to boil these green beans for about 4 minutes, and we will go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the water, and we'll be right back. Okay, so our green beans are done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the ice bath that we have, and we are going to put the green beans in the ice bath so they stop cooking, and also so that they keep their nice green color. And you can just like move it around here for a little bit just to make sure all the green beans are covered in the water. So we're going to take our boiling water off. And so now our green beans have been sitting in there for at least a minute or two. So I'm going to go ahead. I have a sheet pan right here with a paper towel on it. And we're going to go ahead and take the green beans out of the water. And we're just going to spread them on the sheet pan. And we want to spread them on the sheet pan so they get nice and dry on the paper towel. You may want to like put another piece of paper towel on top of this just to make sure it's just a little drier. We'll take our bowl of now melted ice water away. And I have another sheet of paper towel. I'm just going to put that over our green beans just to help it get a little drier. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and use the same part of the stove again. This time we're going to put our large skillet on there, and or our large pan rather on there. And for right now, we're just going to put it on like a medium-high heat. We're going to take our olive oil and we're going to heat it in our skillet. We're going to let that heat up for like a minute or two. I'll put the rest of my ingredients on here. And what we're going to do once the olive oil is heated, we're going to add our garlic cloves right here. And so with the garlic cloves, you just want to like not exactly cook them, but just kind of put them into oil so they can get like fragrant for about, this is about 30 seconds. You don't really want to burn garlic. It doesn't taste, burnt garlic does not taste good. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for our oil to heat up. And it looks like I can hear a little bit of popping, so let's go ahead and test out one little sliver of garlic, and it looks like it is ready to go, so we're going to put our garlic in there. Okay, we're going to continue to cook our garlic for, like I said, 30 seconds. Should be there right now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stir in our crushed red pepper and our ground ginger. And we'll just stir it around so it can all get in there. And then we're going to add our green beans back to the pot. Also, when you're doing this, you want to make sure you want to clean as you go. So I'm going to put this right over here behind me. And then stir our green beans around some more. Just to make sure everything gets nice and coated. At this point, you can go ahead and add some salt to it. And I would just add just a tiny bit of pepper. You already have crushed red peppers in there. You don't want to make it too peppery. And we're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now technically our green beans already cooked because it did boil for 4 minutes. We're just adding flavor to it and getting it nice and hot. Okay, we're going to go ahead and let this cook for another minute or two, and then I will come back with the final product. So here's the final product of our green beans with ginger. This will make a really nice side dish to go along with those mashed sweet potatoes. You can find both of these recipes with our take and make kit for the placeholders. And you can find that coming up very soon. So be on the lookout at the main branch for that. So I hope that you will give both of these recipes a try. I'm sure your family will love them for Thanksgiving, and they're also, like I said before, a very healthy alternative to some of your other Thanksgiving dishes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and come by and see us at the library. Bye.